Amsterdam is a city that is rich in culture, history, and beauty. With its stunning canals, world-renowned museums, charming neighborhoods, and vibrant nightlife, there's no shortage of great places to explore when visiting the Netherlands. We'll take a more comprehensive look at some of the top attractions and experiences that you should not miss when in Amsterdam. One of the most iconic landmarks in Amsterdam is the Anne Frank House. This museum is located in the building where Anne Frank and her family hid during the World War II, and it is a poignant reminder of the atrocities of the Holocaust. Visitors can see the secret annex where Anne and her family lived, as well as read about their daily lives through her diary entries. Another must-visit museum in Amsterdam is the Van Gogh Museum, which houses the largest collection of paintings by Vincent van Gogh in the world. This museum has over 200 of the artist's work, including some of his most famous pieces, such as Sunflowers and the Potato Eaters. Visitors can also see a vast collection of his drawings and letters, providing insight into the artist's life and creative process. The Rijksmuseum is another museum that should not be missed in Amsterdam. The museum houses an extensive collection of Dutch art and history, including works by famous Dutch artists such as Rembrandt, Vermeer, and Frans Hals. The building itself is also a work of art with stunning architecture and design. Vondel Park is a popular park in Amsterdam, offering an escape from the city's hustle and bustle with an open-air theaters, ponds, and various activities. Jordaan, a charming neighborhood known for narrow streets, canals, and cafes, is ideal for exploring on foot. The red light district is a notorious area, home to sex shops, brothels, and bars. 9 Streets is a trendy shopping area with boutiques, cafes, and vintage stores. Amsterdam's canals are an iconic attraction, and canal cruises offer different tours including daytime, evening, and dinner cruises. Dam Square is the main square in Amsterdam and is home to a range of attractions including the Royal Palace and the National Monument. The square is a great place to people watch and take in the atmosphere of the city. Finally, Amsterdam is famous for its food and drink, and there are plenty of great places to eat and drink in the city. Visitors can try traditional Dutch cuisine such as stroopwafels and bitterballen, as well as international cuisine from all over the world. There are also plenty of cafes and bars where visitors can relax and enjoy a drink or two. I hope you found this guide to the great places in Amsterdam helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more travel guides and tips. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. Thank you for watching and happy travel!